Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aditi Pardal and I make content and videos on manifestation, personal development, life, philosophy, learnings, lessons, living life, mental health, emotional health, and a lot more. So that's why the channel's name is Conversations with Aditi, because I love conversations that revolve around this life, like who are we, what are we doing, how do we feel, how do we validate our emotions, why are we feeling such a way, or why are we not feeling a certain way, and things like that. So here we are going to talk about a lot many other things. So in case you also want to me having a discussion around a certain topic, let me know in the comments and I will surely give my perspective over it. So this is just about conversations that can help each other, heal each other. And if something triggers you, then of course you can avoid coming back to my channel. And if you like something, I would love to see you again. Okay. So today I was thinking, because since I'm starting this after a long time, I was thinking, there are so many things running in my mind, but I was like, how should I start? Like, I don't know. I do not have any template. So I thought of going with my gut feeling, and I thought, okay, let's talk about patterns. Okay. Our life evolves around having patterns, like patterns, a pattern in somebody's life, a pattern in your life or in a particular area of your life is something which is like a cycle, which is like a repetition that is happening. And it's like, that whatever choices or decisions you make always land up to a certain outcome, because it's a pattern which has been embedded in your subconscious mind, right? For example, if your childhood was a difficult one, or if you learn that there is a lack of money in your life, or maybe there is a lack of relationships in your life, and once you start growing up, you realize that even if I'm doing better than before, but there is same mental pattern in my mind, like you are never satisfied, you always feel that you do not have money, even if you're making more than before, even if you have come so far, but it's just a mental pattern that you feel that there is never enough. When it comes to relationship also, if growing up in your childhood you have not seen great relationships, and your life progresses, you grow and you feel that okay, now you have great friends or a great partner or a great lover, but after a point you realize, oh my god, you have been repeating your pattern. I mean, you are still getting the same outcome from these people as well. Like their faces have changed, there are different faces. Like before it was somebody else, now it is somebody else, but the pattern, the outcome, the emotion that you are getting from that particular relationship, be it friendship, be it parents, be it a lover, be it anybody, the outcome and the emotion is same. So a pattern is basically, what emotion, underlying emotion you are feeling, even if you feel that everything has changed in your external reality, even if you feel that you have come a long way, but there is the same emotional pattern that you're feeling. Just pause this right now and think about any aspect. Like for example, right now if you're struggling with a job, if you're struggling with money, okay, now go back since and go back to the emotion. Don't go back the surface level things, that how much money, or what kind of a job you're doing. No, the emotion. If the emotion is that you are not satisfied, if the emotion is that you always feel lack, if the emotion is that you do not feel stable, trust me, if you go back you will feel that you have not been feeling great about this subject since your beginning, since your childhood. Like you have been feeling the same kind of lack since your childhood, because it is a pattern. It means your subconscious, your body, has that pattern imprinted, that emotion printed, that there is a lack, or you are not satisfied, or you are not fulfilled, right? So in order to change this pattern, you first have to recognize, okay, that what is always the under, I am specifying the word emotion because it's for a reason, because patterns are all emotions, right? You can get anything in life, but it's the underlying emotion that you feel. Because you may have billions right now, but the emotion is not fulfilled, you're not going to be happy, right? You can have the best of the partner, you can have the best of the friends, but if in that thing your emotion is not taken care of, you are not never going to get happy or fulfilled. You're going to feel that your relationships are one sided or whatsoever in your case, right? So in order to identify your patterns, take out every aspect of your life and just recognize what is the emotion that you're feeling, and then go back and see that when was the first time you felt that emotion in your body. Because guys, our body stores our emotions, right? Our body is not talking to us in a language from mouth, like we you can speak in words and everything, but your body speaks to you in emotions, and which form your patterns. So go back to, how long you can go back. And sometimes your patterns are also your generational, because of course, you carry the same DNA. Let's say, if you're struggling with, let's say for example, take a job or a career example. Now think about, ask your parents that what kind of a career they had, were they fulfilled, or they also feel struggles, and ask them that how did their parents feel about. Because sometimes, and I think most of the times, patterns are also given to us because we are formed from our mother's womb, right? From, we have the DNA of both our parents. So there are many, most of the chances that we are going to be feeling the same way. You might feel that you're doing better than, your previous generation, but if the emotion is same, do you think you have come a far way? No, right? Because you can have everything, still not feel happy. So identifying those emotions can help you break those patterns.